How do you choose the right communication tool for virtual negotiations? In the current COVID-19 context, video conferencing is becoming the standard for virtual negotiation. Is it always the right tool? My name is Giuseppe Conti, I am a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. With this video, I want to give you two perspectives regarding the choice of the right virtual communication tool. The first one is around the purpose that you want to achieve. For instance, video conferencing is best if you want to build rapport for the other person. A phone call is appropriate for a quick clarification. An email is probably right for a detailed proposal. And a text message may be a way to move forward quicker while still communicating in writing. The second perspective I want to give you is what is the context of the negotiation. You may want to choose an information-richer tool like video conferencing if you're dealing with a complex negotiation, with an important negotiation, with a multi-party negotiation. On the other side, you may want to choose an information-poorer tool like email when you are in a competitive type of negotiation, when you have a power status kind of disadvantage, or if you have an information disadvantage. A message you want to keep in mind is that there are a number of tools and you want to choose the most appropriate one. For instance, if you're dealing with a complex negotiation, maybe what you want to do is start with a video conference to set the scene, then send a detailed proposal via email, give some time to think to the other party, and then set up another video conference to discuss your proposal. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.